This is xTool S1. Unparalleled safety, unbeatable capacity. Equipped with a powerful 40-watt laser module, the xTool S1 cuts through thicker wood and acrylic effortlessly, liberating your boundless creativity. It can switch to a 1064 nanometer laser module and expand the material range to metal, acrylic, plastic, and more to meet all your creative needs. The xTool S1 features an upgraded guide rail structure, facilitating an astonishing operating speed of 600 millimeters per second. This upgrade boosts your productivity and helps generate remarkable results. The revolutionary twin-point positioning feature offers camera-like precision. It assists you in quickly and accurately determining the processing range, regardless of the size of the object, making operation effortless. With a razor-sharp autofocus system and 3D model building, the xTool S1 enables dynamic focus engraving, ensuring perfect engraving on uneven surfaces. Safety is paramount. The fully enclosed xTool S1 complies with Class 1 laser certification, allowing you to use it indoors. Equipped with multiple safety sensors, it provides comprehensive protection. xTool S1 also has superb expandability. With the riser base assembled, it fits perfectly with higher objects. Processing larger objects is not a challenge. The automatic conveyor feeder accommodates longer materials, largely expanding creativity. With RA2 Pro, your creativity is not limited to flat objects. It also enables you to engrave on cylindrical objects. Not least, the Smart Air Assist auto-adjusts airflow based on working status, resulting in a more perfect effect. This is xTool S1, a diode laser cutter that defines unparalleled safety and unbeatable capacity.